I want to show you guys this art piece that was handmade for us by VinchyArt. This is nice. My 3D art. Yeah. It packages so well.
VinchyArt also has other selections that you could pick from. I ended up going with the gold framing instead of black, but they do have other framings that you could choose from. Their selections are so wide as far as sizing goes. Also, all of Vinchy's art paintings are 100% handcrafted. Wall art, each painting is hand painted by their artist, and they will shoot the actual picture to confirm the effect with the customer before sending it out. Until the effect is satisfied, they won't send it out. They have fast and free shipping. It will be delivered to your doorstep within 3 to 7 days after sent out. Personalized customization, and the painting could be customized to fit different styles of home environment, including size and color. VinchyArt also has a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you receive a painting and are not satisfied with it, you can return the eligible item within 30 days for a full refund. You could use my discount SUSU35 to save 35% off on your painting. Thank you so much VinchyArt for sending over these lovely paintings. Make sure you guys check the description for all information.